Hi, welcome again. You are watching Vin's English lesson. I am Vincent. In today's video, we are going to know about suffixes and suffixes which are most used in English. And on the other hand, we are going to understand about the spelling rules, what we should do or what we should not do while using these suffixes. We are going to understand all these in this lesson today. So watch the lesson. If you liked my video, you can give it a like. We'll start the lesson. Now, suffix. What is suffix? Suffix is a letter or a group of letters, a small kind of word which is added at the end to a word to make a new word. They are known as suffixes. Now, the suffixes can change a word into noun, adverbs, adjectives or verbs. They have lot of functions. Okay, so today I brought 4 very common used suffixes in English, and they are ing, er, est and ed. Now, before using these suffixes in a word, we should know about the basic spelling rules. In today's video, I have 4 spelling rules for all of you. So we'll go with this one by one and we'll understand about the spelling rules and we'll see how to fix the suffix in a word. So now we are going to start with number 1, ing. Ing suffix, we use this suffix to change a word into present participle form of a verb. Now, if you see a word which ends with an e at the last, to add the ing suffix, we are going to drop the e. You will understand in the example. I have an example. Stride. Stride means taking long step while walking. Now, let's say in some function, your name is announced and you heard your name and confidently you got up and you are taking long steps towards the stage to receive that prize. So that long steps while walking is known as stride. Okay, so stride, in this word you can see the e at last. Now, to add this suffix ing, we are going to drop the e, then we'll add the ing in the place of e. Striding, strid, we dropped the e and we added ing, we got the present participle striding. Okay, second is make. In this spelling also you can see the e at last. We are going to drop the e and we'll add the ing suffix in the place of e, so we'll get the present participle making. Now, some words, when we change them into present participle, we have to double the last letter. Now, how to know this? If the word has a short vowel sound at the last and is followed by a consonant, in that case we double the last letter. You will know in the example. Skip. This is a word, skip. You can see the I vowel and this I is having the short vowel sound e. Skip, e, the short sound, and the p consonant is following the short vowel sound. In this case, we are going to double this p before adding ing. Okay, skip, skip, we'll add another p and then we'll add the suffix ing. We'll get the present participle skipping. Now, in sit, the short vowel sound and the t consonant is following the vowel sound. Now we are going to double the t, then we'll add ing, the suffix ing, and make it present participle. We'll get sitting. Okay, now number 2, er and est. Now, er changes a word into a noun or comparative degree of adjective. Now, there are 3 degrees for adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degrees are the main word, and to change the main word into comparative degree or superlative degree, we use these suffixes: er for comparative degree and est for superlative degree. Okay, these are the positive adjectives. Main word. Safe. Safe means something is secured, it is not in danger, and in this word you can see the e at last. Same, we'll drop the e to add the suffix er to form a comparative degree, or we'll add est in the place of e to form a superlative degree. Safe, we drop the e and we'll add er in its place. We'll get safer, safer. This is the comparative degree of the adjective. Then safest, superlative degree, same. We'll drop the e. We'll add the est at the end. We'll get the superlative degree, safest. Now there are some words which ends into consonants. We are not going to worry so much about those words because we are not going to add or remove any letter from those words. We just have to stick these suffixes to that words and you'll get what you require. Now like in this word you can see the ng. There are two consonants in this word at the end. To change this word into comparative degree, we just have to add this er suffix. We'll get the comparative degree, longer. Same in this one, we are going to add the est after the word long. We'll get the superlative degree, longest. Now big. Now in this case we have to go with a short vowel sound followed by a consonant, as in this case. If the word has a short vowel sound and this consonant is following the short vowel sound, we are going to double the last letter. Like in big, you can hear the short vowel sound and there is a G, is the consonant following the short vowel sound. To change this word into comparative degree, we are going to double the G. B-I-G-G, then we'll add the ER suffix. We'll get the comparative degree, bigger. Now to change it into superlative degree, same. We are going to double the G, then we'll add the suffix est at the end. We'll get the superlative form. Okay. Number 3, ed. To change a word into past participle, we have to use ed. In this case also, we have to double the last letter. If the word has a short vowel sound and the consonant is following the short vowel sound, we are going to double the last letter. Like in stop, you can see stop, stop. This O has the short vowel sound, O, stop, stop, and the P consonant is following the short vowel sound. So we are going to double this P and then we'll add the suffix ed. Like in stopped, stop, then we double the P, there are two P's, then we added the suffix ed. Now we got past participle or past tense, stopped. Drag. Now drag means is to pull something with strength. Now let's say you are shifting some heavy thing to another place. You are pulling that and shifting it to the another place. That is known as drag. Drag, same. In drag also, to add the ed, suffix ed, we are going to double the G and then we'll add the suffix ed. We'll get the past or past participle, dragged. Okay. Now number 4, place the I in the place of Y. Now I saw many students making mistakes by not following this rule. They may not know why we change the Y into I. So today I will clear that. Now the word ending with Y and it follows a consonant. In that case, we are going to remove the Y and add I. Like in this example, you can see CRY, cry. At the last there is Y and the Y is following the consonant R. To add the ed, to make this word a past participle or past tense, we are going to add ed. Before adding ed, the suffix ed, we are going to remove the Y and place the I in its place. We will get past participle cried. Okay. Now happy, this is an adjective, happy. Same. To change this into comparative degree, we are going to remove the Y because this Y is following a consonant. So we are going to remove the Y and we'll keep the I in its place. Then we'll add ER suffix to make that word comparative degree. Now happiest for superlative degree, same method. We'll remove the Y, we'll keep the I, then est suffix, we'll get the superlative degree, happiest. Now in some cases you'll see some word ending with Y and you can add ing. There is no rule to remove the Y. Now why it is like this? Because ing, this ing starts with an I. Now if a suffix starts with an I, you are not going to remove the Y from that main word. Like in fly, F-L-Y, you can see the Y. To add ing in this word, you must not remove the Y. F-L-Y, after that ing suffix, flying. Same in play, P-L-A-Y. To add the ing suffix after the Y, you must not remove the Y. Play, ing, playing. You will get a new word, playing. Okay? And in this case, we saw the Y is following the consonant. We removed the Y and we made it I. But in this case, Y is following the consonant. Here the Y is following the vowel A. Now, the Y follows the consonant or vowel. It doesn't matter. When we are using this suffix, the I will stay. After the Y, we can add the suffix ing. Keep this in mind. There are hundreds of suffixes in English, and some suffixes, they don't need any kind of spelling rules, but the ones which go according to the spelling rules, you have to practice those to learn where and how to use the suffixes to make a new word. Okay, so this was for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked my video, give it a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will come to know about all my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. So I will come again with another new lesson. So till then, bye bye, take care.